this is Deanna here today, and today we're talking about my 5 favorite free patterns from Ellie and Mac. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about free patterns, no cost to you patterns. All you have to do is go to our website, ellieandmac.com, and go search our free patterns, download these free patterns. And one of my favorite patterns we'll start with, it's the ear warmer. So this, as you can see right now, it's not really covering my ears. I mean, it is, but it doesn't have to because you can put it behind your ears. But the ear warmer pattern comes with a shape out in the back, which makes it go lower in the back right here. But I'm wearing this one because I wanted to show you that there's also a hack to make it into just a regular headband. It's got this cool twist in the front, and it is super cute. It takes the guessing work out of knowing what size to make a headband. We have full tutorial here on your YouTube channel where you can follow the instructions on how to do the knot, and makes it super simple. Also, the headband comes with a button option, so it can show you exactly where you would put your buttons at if you wanted to put buttons on them on the ear warmers for a mask or something like that. So that comes out really super handy. The one thing I love about this pattern is that it's so easy to make, and it can be a perfect gift for someone. So like a birthday party, or even for selling, you know, if you want to sell stuff at a shop or anything like that, this is a really quick pattern to make that is also super great for selling. So that's why it's one of my favorite free patterns. All right, my second free pattern, now I don't have it in front of me because every time I make one of these, I give it away because it is super cute, is the School Cool dress pattern for dolls. This is so cute because it is actually a very simple pattern as well, but you can make it for dolls. So you can dress up all the little dolls in your life and your kids' dolls. But not only that, you can make it for others. Birthdays, this is like a great birthday present for little kids and stuff like that. And what is really cute too is that we also have the actual kids a School Cool pattern, so you could make matching outfits for the kids together. So that would be super cute as well. So this is why I love the School Cool doll pattern. All right, the next one I have right here with me. It's one of my favorites. This is the picnic blanket. This one is free as well. It's got this cute little flap to close it, cute little handle. I love taking this one out to like picnics, and that's why I chose this fabric. This is a woven, and then on the inside we can use some kind of material that is waterproof material, so then that way when you lay it on the ground, your actual blanket doesn't get all dirty, and then wet, and if it gets dirty, it doesn't matter because that goes on the inside when you fold it, and all the dirt stays inside. This actually comes in super handy. I've taken it to the beach, I've taken it to picnics, I've taken it everywhere because it is just awesome. And when it's folded, it's actually kind of plushy, so it's really cool too to sit on top of it if you're sitting on bleachers or on the grass or whatever. So it comes in super handy, carrying it and everything. And actually, this is pretty funny. I stuck things inside of here like sunblock and things like that to carry in there, so that way I didn't have to just carry them in my hand. So that worked out great. I am in love with this pattern. It is super simple and super cute. Here it is all opened up, and I can't believe it's a free pattern, so I love that. And we also have a tutorial here on our YouTube channel on how to sew it up. What's better than that? All right, the next two patterns are kind of almost unbelievably cool to be free, okay? So first of all, this pattern, it blows my mind how many options it includes. This is a Grow With Me pattern. So the Grow With Me pattern is an amazing pattern that has all kinds of options. I just said that, repeat it again for emphasis. Emphasis. Did I say emphasis? Emphasis is what I meant. So it's got an option for dress, it's got an option for bottoms and a shirt, it's got ruffles, it's got gathers, it's got all kinds of cool things to customize your own kids' PJs. I love all the different options, and it's all free. And so I've used this pattern for so many things, and my son actually loves it. I love the option of the Grow With Me cuffs and arm cuffs and pant cuffs, because the fact that they're longer means that you can fold them up and as they grow taller, you can fold them down and it gives you more room, because you know kids are always growing way too fast, even though you tell them not to. But this pattern is just super, super cute, and it's actually super simple. We have video tutorial on it as well on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check it out. Go grab this pattern and sew it up for all the kids in your lives. It's free. Can you believe it? All right, now we've come to the last free pattern. Now I know there's more than these patterns on the website, but I'm just showing you the ones that I really, really love. I love all of them. So I guess I should say these are my top 5, but there's also other ones that I wanted to include in here, but you need to go check them out, okay? So number 5 is the curved hem tank, which I'm wearing right now. I am obsessed with this tank. Don't ask me how many I have, because I really don't know. I have a lot because I keep sewing them, because they are so easy to sew and they fit perfectly. I love how high the armbands are. I love the side, the neckband, how it goes. I love the curve of the top. I love the fit of it. I love that it's got the seam at the back that gives you that shape, nice curved shape. I just love this pattern. And you know what's the best thing about Ellie and Mac patterns? They're trimless pattern pages. So you just have to butt them together and cut them and sew. Super, super easy, super simple. This curved hem tank has come in handy so many times. I've made so many of them, even to give away, because it's so easy. So I love this pattern. If I had to pick a favorite one, it would be probably this pattern. And it's not just because it's free, it's because it's awesome. So go ahead and check them out, go download them. If you're having questions about how do I download Ellie and Mac patterns, we also have a video on that on our YouTube channel. So go check it out, print them out, put them together, cut it out, sew it up, and you're going to love it. You're gonna love all our patterns. Then come back on here and tell us how much you loved these patterns. Also tell me which one is your favorite, and tell me if you've made all these free patterns. And if you haven't, go grab them. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this little talk. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Come join us on our Instagram and our Facebook page so you can share your makes and you can see what everybody else is making, and you can be inspired, and we can be inspired by your makes. Again, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Go check out our other videos, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!